Using a Derma Roller to get that collagen working in your skin. Well, this Derma Roller has real needles, not wheels like most Derma Rollers out there. Anti-aging tips and ideas coming right up. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might have seen that I posted a picture of some products I received from Gin Amber Beauty. And we're going to take a look today in this video at the things that I got from them. I've used Derma Rollers before, but Gin from Gin Amber Beauty, who is the esthetician owner of the company, asked me to try a couple of hers and a couple of her products. Gin points out in her videos that most Derma Rollers don't have real needles. Most of them have wheels with sharp spokes, as you can see in this photo, where she's taken apart her Derma Roller on the left with the real needles, and she's also taken apart two other Derma Rollers in the center and on the right to show the difference. Now you can see in the center and right Derma Rollers, they have wheels inside with sharp little spokey things. Jen sent me the 0.5 millimeter Derma Roller, but the thing is, I already have a 0.5, but I can immediately tell the difference. Hers is actually more prickly feeling, probably because it has the real needles in it. Now, I want to compare the two. The Gin Amber is on your left, and the one I bought from Amazon is on your right. And if you can see the one on the right, you can see a metal wheel on the end, and on the end facing me, I can see the metal wheel. And then the older one, the one on this side, has the wheels throughout the entire Derma Roller between plastic, where you can see this one, you don't see those wheels because they are individual needles. Now this 5 millimeter size is to be used once a week. She also sent me the 0.75 millimeter Derma Roller. I haven't tried it yet. That one is to be used once every 3 weeks, and I'm working on this one to build up my skin before I tackle the 0.75. I only use the Derma Roller at the end of the day after cleansing my skin because it makes my skin really red, and I want to sleep overnight. By the morning, the redness is gone. I'm happy to tell you I've partnered with Gin Amber Beauty to offer my viewers a 20% discount off all of your purchases. And if you click to open up the description box below the video, the code for entering to get that 20% is listed there. I'll also list it on the screen here as well. The two products I'll be applying after the Derma Roller session are the Gin Amber Beauty Natural Peptide Serum, which is nice and soothing, and also the 10% vitamin C plus squalene repair cream. Both of these are unscented. Just to take a few seconds to tell you what is in the peptide serum. Now, these peptides are amino acids that are part of the building blocks of our skin's protein, and they help form collagen and elastin, smoothing and plumping the skin. So great to use right after derma rolling. The skin just loves it. It doesn't sting at all. It feels really nice. Then for the cream, this one being vitamin C and squalene, it's not heavy on the vitamin C. So it's just got some of it in there. And of course, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It's also good for smoothing and brightening the skin over time. The squalene is derived from olives, and of course it's a type of oil. It's anti-aging, hydrating, and non-comedogenic. And this cream also includes aloe in the ingredient list, pretty high up in the list, in fact. And aloe, of course, is very soothing. Now let's get to the Derma Roller session. I completely cleaned my face, and then I used micellar water on a cotton pad after that to get it squeaky clean. So the next thing I have to consider, and that you can consider too, is whether you want to use numbing cream. So I'll have a link in the description box below the video for some numbing cream that you can use. I believe you leave it on for about 15 minutes and then you wipe it off, and then you're going to do the next step. I'm skipping the numbing cream, but what we need to do next is to take a cotton pad and put some rubbing alcohol on it. Now I put rubbing alcohol in a little spray bottle. I actually have it labeled. And I spray it right onto the pad. And this is how I disinfect my face, which I think all estheticians say this is what you're going to have to use, just like they do in the hospital, because you're going to be putting these little needles on your skin or through your skin. And so, you know, this is what they wipe your skin with before they give you a shot. So I'm going to end up doing my neck as well. Now, the other thing that you need to do is to disinfect the Derma Roller with the alcohol as well. And you can either stand over a sink and pour it on there, or I just spray it on. And I did this earlier today because you don't want it to be wet when you use it. So I sprayed it earlier today, and then after I'm done tonight, I'll end up spraying it again to disinfect it as well. And then I let it sit out to dry, and then I put it away. I do my face one section at a time, and the last section I do is my forehead because that hurts the most. I start on the side of my face, and I'm going to be derma rolling vertically, horizontally, and diagonally over the same area. And I usually do 10 rolls where I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as I've watched Jen Amber on sometimes she'll do anywhere from 3 swipes to 3 rolls to 12. So, you know, I'm trying to count thinking, okay, is there a method to her method? Method to her madness? It's not madness. I don't know, but I've been doing 10 for a long, long time, and the pressure you put on it is as much pressure as you can take. Like I said, these are really prickly, so I don't put much pressure anyway. So let's start. So I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to move my mirror over. It's a pedestal mirror, so I can see my face and you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll go to the side a little bit, and then horizontal. And then diagonal. I like to lightly do the crow's feet area. And I could do the area over here. Now for you, it depends. My skin is pretty good over here. For you, it depends on if you have discoloration, if you have acne scars from years earlier. So again, you just do this area lightly. I can cover a lot more vertically. So that's that side, and then I'll do this side. I'll do it in fast motion. I gotta bring my mirror back. I can do my nose. I just go 2 directions. So like this and up and down. This is hard to do. It's a little bit sensitive, but derma rolling is really good for blackheads and large pores, which I have on my nose. So another part I'm also interested in doing is I have the lines around here and also these jowly things in here, which are really something, and then right above my lip. So yeah, so let's start on this side. On this side. And I'm not going on my lips, I'm just staying above. Okay, now I'm ready for these, and I'm going to go down my neck, but starting with these problem, you can see when I look down, I have, you know, these, which a lot of people do as they age. Doesn't matter if I go horizontal or vertical, it doesn't matter the order. Okay, and now the neck. Getting red. Okay, now on my forehead, because it's so sensitive, I only do these lines and I do the one in between my brows. This is the only one where I'll go diagonally twice. Okay, now for my two lines on my forehead. Whew, that's it. All right, now I'm ready for my peptide serum. And it's clear. I'm going to put some into my hand here. So, yeah, you'd have to be up on my face to, anyway, it's clear. I do a few pumps because, and I might even do more because my skin gets really red from this, and the peptide serum feels really good. And I'll take whatever's left. Oh, there's not enough left in my, I don't like it. There wasn't enough left in my hand to do my neck. Ooh, very pink. All right, so that was the peptide serum. And then I'm going to go in with the vitamin C cream. And this I'm going to pump right on my fingertips here. And I put a generous amount because I want it to feel really nice. Okay. And now I'm going to put on some lip balm, and I'm going to disinfect the Derma Roller with more alcohol, and we'll be right back. You may have noticed I didn't use the Derma Roller on my lips. That's because in order to do my lips, I really need a smaller size Derma Roller, like a 0.25 millimeter, and this being 0.5 is just too much. Links to all of the products are in the description box below. Make sure to go to that description box to copy and paste the discount code when you make your purchase to get your 20% off. And then check out one of my other videos by clicking its image over on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.